I'm going to solve practice question about surds. How can you tell that these surds are already in their simple form? Look at 5, 11, 19, and 59. They are all prime numbers. So the factor is only 1 and the number itself. So this is the simplest form. They have no square number factor. So simplify 27. Okay, to make it 27, look at the square number. This is 9 times 3. So square root of 9 multiplied square root of 3. So this is going to be 3 times square root of 3. Next, 48. To make it 48, we can make it 16 with square number times by 3. So this is 16 times by 3. Square root of 16 is 4. And then multiplied by 3. Now 112. How to make it 112 with the highest square number, which is 16 times 7. So we got 16 times square root of 7, which is 4 square root of 7. Next, 450. How can we make it 450? Okay, so we can make it square root of 225. This is the square number times by 2. So this is 225 multiplied with square root of 2. Square root of 225 is 15. And square root of 2. Next, we got 3. So 3 times 18. How can we make it 18? Which is 9 times 2. Continue 3 times square root of 9 times square root of 2. So 3 times 3 multiplied with square root of 2. So the answer is 9 square root of 2. Next, we got minus 2 first in front. So minus 2, we multiply it with square root of 16. Isn't it? Let's write 16, 96. Yeah, multiplied by 6. So this is gonna be minus 2 times square root of 16 times square root of 6. So minus 2 times 4 times square root of 6, which is minus 8 times square root of 6. Next for G. So we got 2 here. So minus 2 times we multiply it. Okay, multiply with square root of 25 times 3. So this is minus 2 times square root of 25 and then times square root of 3. So this is minus 2, multiply it with 5 and square root of 3, which is minus 10 square root of 3. Last question, we got 8. 8 times, look at it, square root of 54. So how can we make it? Is it 9 times 6. So this is 8 times square root of 9 times square root of 6, which is 8 times 3 square root of 6. So the final answer is going to be 24 square root of 6. Rewrite each expression in the form of square root of n. Okay, this is pretty easy. Look at 3. So 3, let us make it into the square root. 3 square root, which is 9. Then multiply it with square root of 3. So this is 9 times 3. So the answer is going to be square root of 27. Next, 6. To make it sweet, which is square root of 36 times square root of 6. So this we multiply to 36 times 6, which the final answer will give us of square root of 216. You write it 216. Next, 2. So this is square root of 4 multiplied with square root of 5. So this is 4 times 5, which is square root of 20. So we will leave it negative outside. So square root of 5 is 5 square is 25 times square root of 7. So minus, and then square root 25 times 7. So 25 times 7 is minus, leave it outside, square root of 175. Next, number 4. Write this surd in order from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, to find it, the greatest to smallest, let us convert this. So this is gonna be square root 36 times 5. This is 9 times 3. Okay, 9 square is 81 times 3. This is 9 times 8. 12. Okay, it's already 12. Okay, we got 36 times 5. So this is gonna be 180. This is gonna be 27. And 81 times 3 is 243. This 9 times 8 is 72. And the last is 12. Okay, now we know the greatest. So the greatest first is, sorry, I miss. Okay, here first, 9 point, sorry, not point, 9 square root of 3. And then the second, here is 6 square root of 5. Then we got 3 square root of 8. And we got 3 square root of 3. And the last is square root of 12. Greatest to the smallest. Simplify by adding and subtracting where it possible. Okay, we got the same square root of 7. So this is gonna be 2 plus 4. Then multiplied by square root of 7. They are different. So plus by 3 square root of 5. Like apple, 2 apples plus 7 oranges, we cannot add. So just write it, 2 apples and 7 oranges. So this final answer is 6 square root of 7 plus 3 square root of 5. Like 3 apples plus 2 apples plus by 5 bananas. So this we can only add the apples. So 5 apples and 5 bananas. Next. Okay, we only got the same here, 6. So this is 1. So we can add directly. So first, 3 square root of 2. And here is plus by 3 square root of 6. Next, look at the same square root of 6 and 6. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 square root of 6. Next, we got 3 square root of 11 minus 3 square root of 11, which is 0. Okay, square root of 3 and square root of 3. 2 minus by 1, which is 1 square root of 3. And then 2 minus by, okay, minus by square root of 7. Next, square root of 10 and square root of 10, which is square root of 10. Here, square root of 3 minus by square root of 5, 7, which is minus 2 square root of 7. There it is. Next, simplify it. Okay, first we got square root of 2 here. Now, square root of 18. This is 9 times 2. So, this is 3 square root of 2. Okay, R equals square root. So 3 plus 1, which is 4. Next, square root of 20. Look at here, 5. The key. So this is gonna be 4 times 5, which is 2 square root of 5. So 2 square root of 5 minus square root of 5 is square root of 5. Next, 8. 8 is mean 4 times 2. So which is 2 square root of 2. And square root of 15 is mean 25 times 2, which is 5. Square root of 2. Okay, square root of 2 here. And then 2 plus by 5, which is 7. Next, 18. 9 times 2, which is 3 square root of 2. So the square root are, we write the square root of 2. So 2 minus by 3, which is minus 1. So the answer is minus square root of 2. Okay, this question we will continue to the next part. Thank you.